The kidneys play a vital role in the body's overall health and well-being by filtering waste products and toxins from the bloodstream. Over time, the kidneys can become overwhelmed with toxins and impurities, potentially leading to various health problems. Engaging in regular kidney detoxification and cleansing practices can help support kidney function and promote overall wellness. In this video, we will explore several natural ways to detox and cleanse the kidneys. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential for kidney health. It helps to flush out toxins and promote urine production. It is recommended to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Herbal teas and diluted fruit juices can also contribute to your fluid intake. Consume kidney-friendly foods. Include foods in your diet that are beneficial for kidney health. Some examples include cranberries. Known for their high antioxidant content, cranberries help prevent urinary tract infections and support kidney health. Lemon. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels. Watermelon. This refreshing fruit is high in water content and contains compounds that promote kidney function. Leafy greens. Foods like spinach, kale, and parsley are rich in antioxidants and can help prevent kidney damage. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants that support overall kidney health. Excessive consumption of certain substances can put a strain on the kidneys. Limit or avoid the following. Sodium. Excess sodium can lead to water retention and high blood pressure, putting stress on the kidneys. Avoid processed foods and limit salt intake. Caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol can dehydrate the body and potentially cause kidney damage. Consume these substances in moderation. Red meat. High intake of red meat can increase the risk of kidney damage. Opt for lean proteins like fish or poultry instead. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity and overweight can contribute to kidney problems. Adopting a balanced diet and engaging in regular physical activity can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of kidney-related complications. Regular exercise. Exercise promotes healthy blood circulation and helps maintain overall kidney function. Engage in moderate aerobic activities such as walking, jogging, or swimming for at least 30 minutes per day, most days of the week. Herbal supplements. Certain herbs and supplements are believed to support kidney health. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. Some commonly recommended supplements include dandelion root. Known for its diuretic properties, dandelion root may help increase urine production and flush out toxins. Milk thistle. Milk thistle contains an active ingredient called silymarin, which may help protect against kidney damage and promote detoxification. Nettle leaf. Nettle leaf is believed to have diuretic properties and may help cleanse the kidneys by increasing urine flow. Stress management. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on kidney health. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga can help promote overall well-being and support kidney health. Keeping your kidneys healthy is crucial for your overall well-being. By adopting these natural kidney detoxification and cleansing practices, you can support kidney function, reduce the risk of kidney-related complications, and promote optimal health. However, it is important to remember that these practices should complement a healthy lifestyle and not replace medical treatment. If you have existing kidney conditions or concerns, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before implementing any new detoxification or cleansing practices. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure that the chosen methods are safe and appropriate for your specific health needs. Additionally, maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet, staying physically active, and practicing stress management techniques are not only beneficial for kidney health but also contribute to overall wellness. It is important to adopt these habits as part of a holistic approach to a healthy lifestyle. Lastly, it is worth mentioning that kidney detoxification and cleansing should not be considered a one-time solution. Consistency is key, and incorporating these practices into your routine on a regular basis can help optimize kidney function and support long-term health. Remember, always prioritize your health and seek professional advice when needed. By taking proactive steps to care for your kidneys, you are investing in your well-being and promoting a healthier life. Now, please share your thoughts and questions in the comment section of this video, as we would love to hear your experiences on this subject. We do read every comment and we thank you for your participation. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.